Hello friends. In our last video, we were talking about some frame structure. Now we will talk about lead and lag. If we want to see the day difference for their consecutive order, then we will see how we can expand without applying filter for any particular customer. First, we want to get all the unique order IDs for particular customer and their respective order date. Lead and lag is applied for consecutive extraction. If we are in some particular row and we want to track consecutive row in lead or lag means plus one or minus one row of the current row, then we will apply lead and lag function. We have to so in this operation, we have to join many tables to get for some particular customer if we want to extract. Market factful for order ID because it has customer ID. What we want to extract? We want to get all the unique order IDs for particular customer and their respective order date. Okay, then we want customer ID, we want order ID, we want order date, we want customer name. Okay, so we have to join uh, many tables. First, we have to join market factful for order ID. It has customer ID too. See, if you go here and you will double click here, then you will see which one columns are there. If you want to check in any table, simple double click here and see here which one columns are there. From where we can extract what quantity. Then what we will do, uh, market factful for order ID, we have to extract. We have to extract customer name. So we have to join market factful with customer dimension table, and we need to extract order date from order dimension table. Then what we will do? Wait, it is coming out. What we will do? We will use columns as column alias. C, we have put in customer name column as C, order ID as M, and order date as O, because it has customer dimension from cusDiamond and M order ID from market factful and order date from order dimension. So select C dot customer name, M dot order ID, O dot order date from table name as column alias. Then we will use left join because we want entire data. Left join for some particular customer, for all customers. Left join order dimension as O on link field. Left join the next one table on the link field customer ID, group by customer name, order ID and order date. First we will run this and we will see what we are getting. We are getting information about customer name, order ID and order date. And we are getting this information from three different tables. Okay. Now we have the entire query which gives this one query which gives the unique values on customer name, order ID, order date. After executing it, this one result gives customer name, order date and order ID. Now we will apply filter for some particular customer. Let's say RM Bergman we are applying because it's the first one customer. We are quoting just example. You can play around with any other name. Then we will use here filter. In the same query, this is same query except we are using group by. We are using group by here. So it's entire same query. Only difference is we are using filter before group by, where customer name is Arun Bergman. Now we will see what we are getting. You will see the information about RM Bergman, what order, at what order ID, and what was the order date. You are getting all about information about RM Bergman. Now what we will do after this, we will use lead and lag function, and we will use this entire query as a common table expression. So we will save it as a name with cust order as the entire query which we are putting back. We are using to left join. I hope you are very much familiar till now how we are using left join and on which field we are linking it. So as we are using it as a CT comma table expression, we will remove semicolon, put bracket here. Then we will what we want all the information about RM Bergman for order date. Order date gets the precedence for sorting. Order date 1, precedence for sorting over. If there are multiple orders for same date, you just sort it on the basis of order ID, and this lead result, let's call it as a next order date. So lead, we will do lead order date 1 means +1 over the order date order ID in the over clause, and as next order date we are putting is in result of lead as column alias and as next order date from table name which we have used as cust order, from cust order by customer name. Okay, so we are order by it, customer name, order date and order ID. So from where we are touching it from, we are touching it from customer name, order date and order ID. Now if we are going to run this, what we will get? This is here ending the query. See, you are getting all result about RM Bergman with different order ID, with a different order date, and you are getting next order date here. If this is first one order, then next order is this. If the date is this, if this is first one order, then next order date to this is this. So what we are having, we are having the result for 5 rows, and next order date is always there in 4. But if you are watching at the last, you are watching it is providing null result because it's not having any kind of order in the future. So it terminated by null. For not showing null result, what you need to do here, in this case, you don't want to show null result there. What you will do, the entire query will be similar and you are mentioning order date here. What was the last order date if you want to show? Let's say I am mentioning it like 7/7/2009. If I am mentioning it, if you are rerun, you will notice that default value is coming at the end. See, if I am going to run this one command, entire query is similar. I'm running it again and again in different blog, so you can easily understand and you can easily note it down or can do your own practice. What we will do from here, we are beginning our query, this one, and see at the end you are getting this. So my friends, I hope you are getting how to use lead function. We have to, if we want next one value, see, if we want next one value, then we use lead. If in the same, if you are using lag function, You will use, I don't know it's working for this or not. If you are going to run for this particular query, what you will get? Just see, first one order is this because we have put it in the same way. See, first it is coming here, then here. First it is coming here, then here. So we can get lag or lead, whatever we want. See, 7 7 here, then it is here. It's here, then it is here. Okay, means we are getting previous one order. I hope you understood how to use lead and lag function. You can do it at your own for more customer, for more orders, how to use lead and lag. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel if you really like the concepts. Thank you so much.